Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to set up receivers. So receivers represent the companies, so here is the place where we define to who we would like to replicate data. So I am going on the ribbon to MDMS and then receivers page, and I will create a new one. So in the primary key here is the number, so normally it's a company name, so Cronus UK, and description Cronus UK. Then the next step, we have to set up the communication. So only way here is web service. And we have two authentication methods. One is the basic, which can be used in on-prem and online installation. However, in next release for online version, the basic will be obsolete. And only way to authenticate will be the Azure Active Directory, which is the second method. But let's focus on the basic. Next thing is that we have to paste here the web service. And when you install MDMS, then the web service is automatically published in the receiver company. So I'm switching to the Cronus UK company. So company, Cronus UK. Okay. Then I am going to open web services page. I'm going to the top, and then I have to find the ITI receiver WS code unit and copy web service address. Then I can come back to the Cronus master company. I can open Cronus UK receiver card and paste full address here. Then the next thing to set up, there are credentials. So for basic authentication, I can use my username and password. And so my username here would be Maximilian Meller. And important thing is that this user, of course, if receiver and master are in the same SQL database, the user is created in both. But if it is the separate SQL server, then you have to make sure that this user is created in the receiver company. Also, this user has access to MDMS, so MDMS permission set should be assigned. Then web service password. So this password for on-prem installation, that can be web service access key or NAV user password or Business Central user password. However, for online installation, there should be web service access key. So because this is the same SQL server, I can go to the users, find my user, go to the actions, authentication, and change web service key. Yes. Then I can specify the expiration date or mark never expire. And then I have here the web service access key. So the point is that I have to copy this and paste on the receiver card, but please make sure that the correct key is copied. So the tip is this key is always at the end there is always equal sign. So I'm copying this and paste to the notepad and verify. Then I can come back to the receiver card and paste key in the password field. Finally, I can verify my setup by clicking Actions and Test Connection. If it's test successful, you shouldn't have any issue afterwards with communication.